Hi, this is Love YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show to you how to fill out step by step your tax information to be submitted to Google Adsense. I presume that most of you have already received this kind of email from Google. You will be required to deduct US taxes from payments to creators outside of the US later this year. Okay, so let's move on to the next. Once you get this email, just scroll down and click instructions, and then another screen will appear. So this actually applies to those YouTube creators which are outside US, because if you are already residing in the US, then it says if you're a creator in the US, you may have already submitted your tax information. Just check your tax info in your AdSense just to make sure. So the instruction is also there. You have to sign in and just follow the step-by-step instructions. So we're going to sign in now. And the notice is there. Check if additional tax info is required from you. So we'll just go to this, manage tax info. Click that one. And it will lead you to this page. So it says to get payouts from Google, make sure to provide your tax information. And this will just take a few minutes. So we'll just click add tax info and it will lead you to this page. Just sign in to your YouTube account. This is the first question, to what type of account are you? So I'll click individual and then just click next. And the next question says, are you a resident of the United States? Because I'm residing here in Sweden, not residing in the US. So I will click no and click next. And you will get or reach to this next one, which is it will ask you, based on your previously selected answers, a W8 form is needed. So because I'm not residing in the US, I will choose W-8 then, and then click the start web form. Now we're going to provide information about our tax identity. So I'm going to write my name there. After typing your name there on top, you have to leave this blank if you're not using your YouTube as a business. And then since I am a citizen of Sweden, then I wrote the country Sweden. If you're coming from Philippines, there are also options here. You can see this arrow, so click that. This arrow, click that one, and it will show you different countries. Now in Sweden we have a person number or taxpayer's number, so I will encode that here. You have to encode your foreign TIN because you're not residing in the US, and the one under, you have to leave it blank because you're not from USA. If you're residing in Sweden and other parts of Europe, then use your personal identification number because we got that from the tax agency and other parts of Europe as well. Next, you will be also required to submit or provide information of your permanent residence address as well as your mailing address. Now, let's proceed to the tax treaty. The question there says, are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? So you have to click yes if we're outside US. All right, then we'll proceed to the country where we are right now, so we can put there because I'm residing here in Sweden, so I will look for Sweden. There you go, I found Sweden. I'll click that one. If you're residing in the Philippines, then click Philippines. All right, Sweden already appeared there. Then the next is special rates and conditions. You may be exempt or have taxes withheld at reduced rate, so we'll click this one first and see what's going to appear. Right, then the withholding rate, there are no other options except 0 and 30, so no choice. I have to click 30% as a resident of the country, as a tax resident of the country, so I'll click that one. Just don't forget to click next every now and then. So when you're done with that, that means you're good to go. Just click next. We forgot this one, so you need to right. So no more red appearing, so just click next. Hey. After clicking next, so this page appears. Confirm that you have reviewed the generated tax document. So I'll click that one and check, and then next again. Then it will lead you to the certification. So just to read that if you have time. I'm the individual, so just to confirm that it is you filling out this form. Now if you have confirmed that all the information that you've given are true and correct, and you have read the certification guidelines, then just simply indicate your signature by writing your full legal name or complete name. So let's do this. Final question is a bit tricky, so you have to read carefully. Status change affidavit. You click the first one if you haven't received any payment yet from Google Adsense, and you click the second one, which I just did because I have already received several times my salary from Google Adsense. And then don't forget to put check mark with this one under penalties of perjury. So again, for those who haven't received, the second one for those who have already received their salary. And finally, we will try to click submit. Once you have completed everything and clicked submit, immediately after 1 or 2 minutes, this notice will appear on your page, so you have to wait for it, and the status of your tax declaration or submission of tax information is already approved. So congratulations. In case you would like to make changes in the information that you have submitted, just go to the approved page and go to the right side and click the submit new form. So I am at the approved page, so just move on the right side and you can see this submit new form. Please do it before the deadline of the final submission of your tax information.